In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoom with Notion. By the end, you'll know the simplest way to bring your Zoom meetings right into your Notion pages so they're easier to find, easier to join, and neatly organized alongside your notes and agendas. Let's start with the quickest method. Open any Notion page where you keep meeting notes or planning docs. Place your cursor exactly where you want the meeting to appear. Now copy your Zoom meeting link from your Zoom invite or calendar event. Back in Notion, paste that link on a new line. You'll see a small prompt with options. Choose Paste as Preview. Notion will turn that plain URL into a clean, interactive preview. You'll typically see the meeting title and a prominent button to join, so you don't have to hunt through emails or tabs. You can drag this preview to reorder it on the page. Add text above it for agendas, and jot action items right below it. If you don't immediately see the preview option, try pasting on a fresh line or confirm you are using the full HTTPS link from Zoom. Next, let's initiate the integration using the / command, which is a great way to make this setup more consistent across your workspace. In any Notion page, type / followed by the word Zoom. When the Zoom option appears in the menu, select it. If it's your first time, Notion may prompt you to connect Zoom. Simply follow the on-screen prompts. Once connected, Notion recognizes Zoom content more reliably, and Paste as Preview will feel seamless going forward. The / command is also a handy way to drop Zoom elements into a page without breaking your writing flow. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Keep your Zoom link on its own line in Notion for the cleanest preview. If your workspace restricts external previews, you might need an admin to enable them. For shared pages, remember you are embedding a live meeting link, so adjust page sharing appropriately. Consider adding a short section above the preview with the meeting purpose and key discussion points. Then capture decisions and next steps right beneath the preview so everything lives in one place. Over time, this creates a reliable meeting hub you and your team can return to with context preserved and no extra tab switching. That's all there is to it. Paste the Zoom link and choose Paste as Preview, then use the / command / Zoom to initiate the integration for a smoother experience. Thanks for watching.